Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we have this Dell laptop and it's not booting up. As you can see, I have plugged in the charging cable and I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue if you're having the same issue on your Dell laptop. So let me just show you that the laptop is not turning on. As I've showed that I've connected the charging cable and the battery is also connected. So I'm gonna remove the cable first, and now you have to follow the video. All you have to do is just hold the power button for 30 seconds. Just keep holding it. You have to wait for 30 seconds and keep holding the key. So now what you have to do is just plug in the charger in the laptop. And let's try it now. And guys, there you can see our laptop is turned on. So guys, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.